answered your prayer, how will you know that God has answered your prayer? Because the church in the book of Acts, they were praying for Peter that he will be delivered from prison. As they prayed their prayer, the Lord went and delivered Peter. But the brethren were still praying while Peter was standing at the door. God has answered their prayer, but they are still continuing to pray. They never knew that God has already answered their prayers. As a Christian, you must learn to know when God has answered your prayer. The answer is already at the door, but people will still continue to pray. Why? Because they lack the technology of knowing when the answer to prayer has been provided. How will you know that your prayers have been answered? When you have a note of peace in your spirit concerning that matter that you've been praying for, know that God has answered your prayer. When you have a note of peace, a note of release in your spirit, know that God has answered. How will you know that God has answered your prayer? Elisha stood by the altar and he called the God of heaven to release fire, and fire came. So when fire came upon the altar, that was the sign that your prayer has been answered. Stop praying your prayer. How will you know that God has answered your prayer? Solomon, he prayed in consecrating the temple to the Lord. He prayed a prayer, a wonderful prayer. After he has prayed, even the prayer of dedication, the Bible says, the cloud of his glory filled the temple to a point that no one could move again. That was a sign that God has answered. How will we know that God has answered your prayer? When we upload our prayers to the Lord, they entered into the bowel of incense. And now the Bible says, the angel beside the Lord took them and he threw fire, he threw thunderings, he threw quakings upon the earth. That was a sign that God has answered them. You will see the fire of God. You will sense the fire of God. You will sense the personal earthquakes. An earthquake that happens to you, not to me, but to you.